Why do 90% of homeowners wait too long to deal with water damage? Whether it's a burst pipe, storm flooding, or an appliance leak, acting fast is critical to preventing costly damage and mold growth. At National Reliance Group, we provide expert water damage restoration in Peachtree Corners, Georgia. Water spreads quickly, seeping into walls, floors, and furniture. Within 24 hours, mold can start growing. That's why we offer 24/7 emergency response to stop damage in its tracks. Our certified team uses advanced drying equipment, moisture detection tools, and expert restoration techniques to remove water, dry your property, and restore it to pre-damage condition. We go beyond cleanup. We prevent future issues like mold growth, weakened structures, and poor air quality. From water extraction and drying to full property restoration, we handle everything to make your space safe and livable again. If water damage strikes, don't wait. Every second counts. Call now, 470-660-4838. Visit us at nationalreliancegroup.com. Serving Peachtree Corners, Georgia, and surrounding areas.